Is your Free Fire account locked out because of a Facebook connection error? Don't sweat it, I've got the fix. First, completely close both the Free Fire and Facebook apps. Swipe them away from your recent app screen to make sure they're not running in the background. This ensures a fresh start when we reconnect. Next, let's clear the Facebook app cache. Head over to your phone's settings and find the Apps or Application Manager section. The name varies by phone, but look for something similar. Now, locate Facebook in the list of installed apps and tap on it. This opens up Facebook's app settings. Look for the storage option, tap on it, and then tap on the Clear Cache button. Don't worry, this won't delete your Facebook account or any important data, just temporary files. Now, open the Free Fire app. It's time to reconnect your Facebook account. Tap on the Facebook login button. This will take you to Facebook to authorize the connection. Carefully review the permissions being requested, and then tap Continue. Make sure you're logged into the correct Facebook account. That's it, you should now be logged into Free Fire using your Facebook account. Enjoy your game.